Alright guys, so it looks like the Kohl Sephora is open now. I wasn't sure. Oh, it's open soon. I don't know. Let's go in and find out. Not yet, not quite. Not quite, but soon. But this is exciting. Well, hello everyone. Good morning. Okay, so it's Sunday. I just blew out. I look crazy, my hair. I'm about to flat iron it, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna flat iron it and then just put it up in a bun. Nothing crazy, but I just wanted to say hi. Oh, let me show you guys the bathroom, because I did end up cleaning. I cleaned my bedroom too, but I don't really want to show my bedroom fully. I look crazy, y'all. I don't want to show my bedroom fully because I want to finish decorating it. You know, I've already done a bathroom tour, so you know, cleaned the bathroom. About to make some chicken salad. Have you guys tried the croissant buns from Aldi? I haven't tried these yet, but my best friend recommended them. She said they're amazing, so we're gonna have these today with some chicken salad. I have my lettuce and tomato, and then just boiling my eggs right now for it. My chicken salad's in this bowl. I made it last night. So that's what's happening with that. So I'm gonna straighten my hair and then put it up. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna put some pajamas. Well, I have on pajamas, but something suitable for the camera, and show you guys how I make my chicken salad. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna cut up this lettuce because I'm going to put it on my sandwich. I'm also gonna cut up a boiled egg. Do you guys ever deal with this? Sorry, my air fryer's on. But when peeling your eggs, does this ever happen? Like, it's so annoying. But it's not that big of a deal because I don't care about the presentation. I'm putting it on a sandwich. But I hate when that happens. The other ones didn't do that. It's literally just that one. So now I gotta chop the egg up and just kind of put it on here all randomly, which is annoying. I usually cut up an apple and put it on my sandwich, but I don't have any green apple right now. So we're gonna use grapes. I know you guys probably like grapes on chicken salad. It's actually really good. I've actually had it at a restaurant once, and I was like, oh, I have to try this. So I'm also putting some cherry tomatoes on my sandwich. So it's not very pretty, but I have my buns, my grapes, my tomatoes, my eggs, and my lettuce. So that's what we're doing with that. I'm gonna take some of this chicken salad. Oh my goodness, when I ate pork, I used to put bacon on it. Oh, it used to be so good, but I don't eat pork anymore. I haven't eaten pork in years, so got our little, This chicken salad is actually really good. So good. So we have our chicken salad. I'm not gonna put all this on here, just a couple eggs. I just like to have egg on mine. I don't know about anyone else. And then I just put a couple tomatoes, a couple grapes for sweetness, and then a little lettuce. These buns are small, so I'm realizing I might want another sandwich. So I'll just keep this stuff out. It doesn't need any seasoning because I seasoned the mess out of that chicken. So there we go. This is our sandwich. I'm gonna cut it and eat it. Look at that, so yummy. So good. So for tonight's dinner, I'm making a veggie medley. This is one of my favorite things to make. It's pretty much ready. I have some rice over there, and this is what we're gonna be eating. So, so good. All fresh vegetables. I tell you guys, this medley is so good, but I'm not gonna share what I put in it yet because I'm thinking of doing a cookbook, but the flavor is so good with the seasonings and everything that I'm using. So I just eat it on rice, and it's just vegetables and rice, and it's so bomb. So bomb. I used to put sausage in it, and it gave it so much more flavor, but I've been really cutting back on meat. So we're just gonna do veggies and the rice. And this is jasmine rice, by the way. So before bed, I like to, in my Ray Dunn cup, have some tea. Today we're gonna do milk thistle. I have liver issues, so I try and do milk thistle and dandelion root quite often. I should be drinking it a couple times a day, but I don't drink that much tea. So we're gonna do milk thistle today, and part of this Breathe Easy, I mix teas together. I don't know if you should do that, but I do. This one I'm obsessed with. And then I just use raw honey. I'm using orange, locally sourced honey. I use some ground ginger in my tea, and then I also use some turmeric. So, oh, and don't ask me why I have the lemon in this tomato thing, but I have lemon in here. So we're gonna make my cup of tea before bed, and then I'm gonna go and read my Bible. I've been making it a point to read my Bible like every day. I'm trying to give God more of my time, so that's the next thing we're gonna do. So tonight we're reading Nehemiah. I think I'm gonna start on chapter 10. This is a creative journaling Bible. I do have a King James version and like I think it's called the NLT version. I read them all. I'm not even gonna sit here in front. But today I'm reading through this one because it is a journaling Bible. So I just like the way things are broken down. I haven't been sharing this side of me lately. I used to early on in my channel, but I never got away from the Lord. I just got away from sharing it on YouTube. So yeah, this is what I do. This is what I'm not going to say I do this every day. I have been recently doing it every day for the past week or so. I've been trying to get back into this. I do read my Bible all the time, but I don't read it daily. So I've been making it a habit to do this daily, and it's just been so helpful. So yeah, I don't know if this works for everyone, but I know for me, I just talk to God and I'm like, hey God, what do you want me to know? And I pray before I open it, and I'll literally just close it and I'll open it to a page. And the crazy thing was, I didn't pray before I opened it earlier, and I just opened it, and I opened to Nehemiah, right? So I was like, no, let me close it and pray. So I closed it, prayed, and then opened it, and it opened right back up to Nehemiah. So clearly this is the chapter that God wants me in tonight. So I'm gonna start reading and documenting what I read. All right, guys, I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not showing myself right now because I look crazy, but I'll show you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye. So real quick, this isn't a real cooking video. It's part of my vlog, but I wanted to show you guys how I make my impossible spaghetti. So that's what I'm about to do. So as you can see, I put the sauce in here and I'm just mixing it in with the meat. You can honestly fool anybody with this. Honestly, it tastes just like regular spaghetti, y'all. No different. So I'm actually glad that I made this before, because I got a chance to like experiment with it before I decided how I like to use that. So it's really just about strategy when it comes to that when making spaghetti. To me, it acts as a sponge. Like, it really soaks up whatever. So like if I put a sauce on it, it's gonna soak up that sauce as it cooks, and the sauce does evaporate a little bit anyway when you're cooking it. So like for some reason I noticed when I put the entire pack of meat in with my sauce before and I used 1 jar of sauce, it was just too, it took up too much of the sauce, and I like my pasta, my spaghetti very saucy. So I could have used 2 jars of sauce, but I'm one person. I don't need that much sauce. So what I decided to do was only make half the pack. So with the other half, I will actually season that with taco seasoning and just save that for later in the week when I make tacos. So that's what I've been doing. I've just been splitting the packs in half and using them for different things. So just a little tidbit, if you're using Impossible meat, that's a good dish to make with it. I'm with baby Jet Jet. Hi, Papa. Are we playing? Are we playing, Papa? Hi. Yeah. Hello. Are we hanging out with Didi today? Yeah. That's my guy. Hi guys. So I know. Hi. I'm watching my nephew. I figured I'd include him in this vlog. I have so much going on. But I wanted to just hop on here and say hello. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. And hey buddy. Hey. I'm just watching my nephew. I'm going to go home in a few hours and finish labeling my bottles of vanilla, and then that's really it. I had a pretty sad week, so I just didn't feel like being on camera. So I don't know when you guys are gonna see this. It'll probably be 2 weeks from now because I already have 2 vlogs loaded and ready to go, and I've been planning them out weekly. I filmed them all week long, but the way I'm editing them is they're gonna like air every week, but like once a week. So they're spread out, but I just wanted to come on here and say hi. But yeah, it's been a pretty sad week for me, but we're not dwelling on that. My spirit is much better today. I'm in much better spirits, much happier. I'm not sad anymore. So yeah, that's that. I will watch this baby, and I will see you guys later.